Broken toy.
Leo, why are you looking so sad?
Papa, my toy is broken.
Oh no, which toy is broken?
My red car. Papa, one wheel came off.
Let me see it.
Here it is. Please fix it, Papa.
Don't worry, I will try to fix it.
Can you really fix it, Papa?
Yes, I will do my best.
Thank you. I love this car very much.
I know, Leo, you play with it every day.
Yes, it's my favorite toy.
Look, I am fixing the wheel now.
Oh, it looks better already.
Yes, I just need to tighten this screw.
Is it ready now, Papa?
Yes, it's ready. Try rolling it.
Wow, it's moving again. Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome, my boy.
You are the best, Papa.
Be careful next time, okay?
Yes, I will play softly.
Good boy. Now go and have fun.
Yes, Papa. Vroom vroom.
Lost puppy.
Lena, walk carefully. The road is busy.
Yes, Mommy. I'm holding your hand.
Good girl. Where is the shop?
It's just across the road.
All right, let's go slowly.
Mommy, look. A puppy.
Oh, yes. It's so small.
The puppy is crying. Why is it crying, Mommy?
Maybe it is lost.
Poor puppy. It looks scared.
Don't touch it yet, dear. It might be afraid.
But Mommy, it is shaking. I think it's hungry.
You are right. It needs some help.
Can we take it home, Mommy?
First, we should look for its owner.
How can we do that?
We can ask people around here.
Excuse me, did you lose a puppy?
No one seems to know.
Then can we take care of it for now?
Yes, we can give it food and water.
Yay! Thank you, Mommy.
We'll keep it safe until we find its owner.
I'll name it Lucky.
That's a nice name.
Lucky, come here. Don't be scared.
Look, it's wagging its tail now.
I think Lucky likes us already.
New neighbor.
Hello, I haven't seen you before. Hi, we just moved here yesterday. Oh, really? Where do you live now? In that yellow house near the park. That's nice. Welcome to our street. Thank you. My name is Max. What's your name? I'm Ria. Nice to meet you, Max. Nice to meet you too, Ria. Do you like this area? Yes, it's very quiet and clean. Do you go to school nearby? Not yet. I will start from Monday. That's great. Which class are you in? I'm in class 3. What about you? I'm also in class 3. Maybe we'll be classmates. That would be fun. Do you like playing games? Yes, I love cricket and hide and seek. I like both too. Let's play together sometime. Sure, I'll ask my parents first. No problem. I will be in the park after school. Okay, I'll come too. Welcome again to our neighborhood, Max. Thank you, Ria. You're very kind. You're welcome. See you later. Bye, Ria.
At the park.
Hi there. Are you playing alone? Yes, my friend went home early. Oh, I see. What are you playing? I'm playing with my ball. Do you want to join? Sure, I love playing with a ball. Okay, let's play catch. Ready? Throw it to me. Here it comes. Got it. Now catch. Yay, I caught it. You're good at catching? Thank you. I play here every evening. Really? I come here sometimes with my sister. Where do you live? I live near the school gate. What about you? My house is beside the temple. Oh, that's close. We're neighbors. That's nice. Do you go to Green Valley School? Yes, I'm in class too. Me too. Maybe we are in the same class. That would be great. Do you want to play on the swing now? Yes, let's go. Okay, I'll take the left one. You take the right. Ready, set, go. Whee! This is fun. Yes, I love coming to the park.
At the supermarket.
Leo, we need to buy some vegetables today.
Okay, Mummy, can I take a trolley?
Yes, please take one.
It's a big trolley.
Yes, we have many things to buy.
What should we take first?
Let's start with fruits. Pick some apples.
These red ones look fresh.
Good choice. Now, some bananas too.
How many, Mummy?
Take 6 bananas.
Done. What next?
We need milk and bread.
Milk is in the next aisle. Let's go there.
Very good, Leo. You know the store well.
Yes, I come here with Papa sometimes.
All right, now let's go to the cashier.
Can I put the items on the counter?
Yes, go ahead.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
That will be 520 rupees.
Here's the money.
Thank you. Here's your bill and change.
Thank you very much.
Mummy, can I carry the bag?
Sure, you're a strong boy. Yay, let's go home now.
Rainy day.
Leo, look, it's raining. Yes, the rain started so suddenly. I love the smell of rain. Me too. Everything looks so fresh. Did you bring your umbrella? Yes, I did. What about you? I forgot mine at home. Oh no, you'll get wet. It's okay. I'll stand under that tree for now. Wait, come under my umbrella. We can share. Really? Thank you, Leo. No problem. Friends always help each other. Look, the children are playing in the rain. Yes, they're jumping in puddles. It looks fun, but we'll get dirty. True. My mother will scold me if I play now. Mine too. She always says, don't get wet. Haha, all mothers say that. I like rainy days. The air feels cool. And the plants look greener. Do you like hot tea on rainy days? Yes, and pakoras too. Yum! I want to eat some after school. Let's go to your house then. Okay, but bring your umbrella. Don't worry, I won't forget it this time.
Birthday gift.
Happy birthday, Lena.
Thank you, Neha. I'm so happy today.
You look beautiful in your new dress.
Thanks. My mother bought it for me.
That's lovely. Here, I brought a gift for you.
Oh, thank you. What is it?
Open it and see.
Wow, it's a storybook.
Yes, I know you love reading.
You know me so well, Neha.
Do you like it?
I love it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. How old are you now?
I turned 8 today.
8 already? You're growing fast.
Haha, yes, come, let's eat some cake.
Sure, it looks delicious.
It's chocolate flavor, my favorite.
Mine too. Can I have a small piece?
Of course, here you go.
Yum, it's so tasty.
I'm glad you like it.
Are you having a party later?
Yes, in the evening, please come.
I'll be there for sure.
Great, don't forget to bring your smile.
Ha ha! I'll bring that and a big hug too. Well done, everyone. You've learned some great conversations today. I hope you enjoyed practicing English with me. Now, let me know how many new words did you learn today. Write your answer in the comment box below. The more you practice, the better you'll get at English. So keep learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beginner English Zone for more fun lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning and keep smiling.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.